In this video, I want to talk to you about hot dogs. But let me be clear, this is a very beginner-friendly hot dog video. It's basically the best way to start upgrading your hot dogs at home without needing extra tools. It's all about adding layers of flavor, guys. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And I'm using some Maple Leaf hot dogs. This is a Canadian brand. They're pretty standard hot dogs. I mean, they come in a little pack of like 6. They just look like your regular old dogs. We're not going to do anything here. We're not slicing into them or anything complicated. We're going to start off by just layering them with a simple layer of hot sauce, okay? Just as a binder. And what that means is we're not trying to make it so it's like coated. We want a really thin layer. I'm using Bacon Blaze from Maritime Madness. Try and use a hot sauce that pairs with pork. That's probably the best call. If you're using a beef hot dog or a chicken dog, then, try and get a hot sauce that complements chicken or beef. And all we're going to do is just simply coat these hot dogs. Very straightforward, guys. Get that thin layer of hot sauce on there, and that's going to let us hit it with a barbecue seasoning. So then I'm using Sweet Chipotle Dry Rub by Maritime Madness. This is just going to allow me to cover it with a nice, sweet chipotle dry rub layer. I mean, it's all in the name of the dry rub, right? And I'm making sure to cover every single side here. I want these to be nice and coated, evenly distributed, every nook and cranny covered. Now, some people might tell you that you can slice into the hot dog to get more of that smoky goodness in there, more seasoning, more hot sauce. I don't agree. I think you should just go like this. It's very basic and it does pretty much the exact same thing. So I'm using my charcoal grill today, firing it up with a bed of Kingsford charcoal briquettes, and I'm just cooking these just low and slow on indirect heat. It's all about indirect heat with hot dogs, guys. Don't put your hot dogs right over the flames. They will burn, they will burst open, and when you cook them this way, the juices start to release within. You can see them expanding. That's how you get that nice, juicy hot dog. It's simple. You literally just leave it. If you want, you can move it around a little bit. You can see there, I moved the top dogs. They have some char, some grill marks up there, but it's not required. Not a requirement. I want to be very clear on that. But as you can see, as these are cooking along, that barbecue seasoning is tacking up. That hot sauce added an additional little spicy layer of flavor. And guys, my mouth is watering just looking at these dogs. Now, you can dress these up however you would like, but I'm a pretty basic guy. I'm always looking for a good barbecue sauce to throw on my hot dog. So I'm using Super Sauce by Maritime Madness because it just made sense to me. This hot sauce is perfect for basically anything hot and fast. It's a grilling sauce, and I really enjoy it on hot dogs. Anyway, guys, this was a simple how-to, really basic, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions about hot dogs, let me know in the comments below. And thanks again for watching. It really means a lot to me. Again, don't be afraid. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm always posting barbecue that you're going to enjoy. So let's become friends. Hit those buttons, join my community, and thanks again for watching.